So for this script, I'm going to be building off of my previous tutorial on how to make a 2D platformer controller, so the link is in the description to that video. With that said, let's open up the script in Visual Studio. So first we need to create 3 new variables. The first one is a public float called jump start time, and this will be used to define how long we want our player to be able to jump for. The second is a private float called jump time, and this will be used to keep track of the current time passed since the player last started to jump. And then finally, a private boolean called isJumping. Right, with those set up, let's go into our jump method. So in our if statement, we just want to add jump time equals start jump time, and we also want to set isJumping equal to true. Next, we want to check if the jump button is pressed and if jumping is equal to true. Then if that's true, then we want to check if jump time is greater than 0. And if jump time is greater than 0, then we want to say rb.velocity equals vector2.up times jump force, which is the exact same line that we have here, which propels our player into the air. And then as well as that, we want to say jump time minus equals time.delta time. If the jump time is not greater than 0, then we want to say else isJumping equals false. Then the last if statement we're going to create is just used to check if the jump button has been released. And if so, we want to set isJumping equal to false. And then that's it for the script, so save it and head back into Unity. Once back in Unity, just go ahead and set the jump start time to something like 0.25. And then when you hit play, we have the Mario jump. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more game dev content. And as always, I'll see y'all later.